Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 44. What is alternation principle? The answer is simply alternate in correction types between wave 2 and wave 4. If wave 2 is a zigzag, then wave 4 is flat or triangle. If wave 2 correction point B didn't exceed the start of A, regular flat or zigzag, wave 4 point B will exceed the start of wave A. Alternation can also happen in extensions. If wave 1 is normal, then wave 3 or 5 is extended, and vice versa. Remember, wave 3 can never be the shortest. Alternation also happen in time if wave 2 did correct fast. Then expect a slow correction in wave 4.
Quote number 38. Peter Lynch said, "Never invest in any idea you can't illustrate with a crane." This is a hilarious motivational quote that reminds us to keep trading simple. If something is too complicated, it means there are more chances of it going wrong. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.